call out Walmart right now. We go to change spend about the margin halls. Also, you see the guy for the bid to nothing install Walmart only has the dress attack couple for the Max 31. I didn't find the innovation still view. Yeah, but we'll see you the next time I visit to get by more.
Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize.
Here we are, we're calling at Walmart right now. We're going to change spend at the margin house. Mark, so we see the guy about the bid to visit. We found something. Innovation still view. When we get back home. Hey everybody, welcome to another review today. So I got from Walmart, but at Walmart I didn't get it from Target or like any current store. So anyway, let's get into the truck I got installed. You didn't see my Instagram photo. Go check out my Instagram. I posted online. So here it is. I'm about to unveil it in 3, 2, 1, and it is Alien Invasion Steel Reveal. So there's a Steel Reveal series, and to got the back we have several of this case. So we got, and I need to pick up which is a cheese piece of Wasabi Warrior. Was on rafters of this spaceship of the alien 321. Here it is. We got the Alien Invasion logo on the collar of it right here. And here's the truck itself. Oh, Invasion Steel Reveal. So we got the green rims, the black tires, the white roll cage, and the green chassis as well. With the Alien Invasion logos and Steel Reveal paint scheme as well, with the LED lights across the panels and stuff in the door panel with the Monster logo right there on the door panel, and on the front it's got some LED lights on the hood with the green headlight pushing as well on the hood. And then as it's going on, then the Monster.com sponsor right there on the website, and the LED lights on the back of it, the truck, and also got the LED lights logo on the roof and the cover windshield as well as the window on the truck. So that's all I can say about this of Innovation Steel Reveal. So that's not, I know this video went short, so hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. This is Alien 0, signing out.